Thank you. I'm Douglas Cowieson. I'm the only thing standing between you and the adult beverage of your choice. Makes it a high-pressure event. I'm going to talk about building leadership culture and just changing culture, driving that through the organization. We're going to talk about what I think leadership is, attributes, the reality. Some of you were in a session this morning. We're talking about the reality of project confidence and support as you move through, changing culture, etc. And the point here at the end is change is always simple, but it's never easy. And as long as you get to that, I think it helps you understand what's going on. One of the things that certainly I've struggled with, and I was saying this morning, I've done re-engineering projects in AXA PPP in the UK, Cigna International in the UK and Asia, Aetna International in the Middle East, HealthNet here, Cigna here, and now Emblem. So it doesn't really change. Whatever continent, whatever company, size, it doesn't change that much in terms of the imperatives. Leadership. So what is it? I think it's a real ability to connect with people, to have trust and respect for the people that you work for. You'll get it back in spades. The results orientation, I think, is a given in most organizations. The mentoring approach is not. Neither is the cascading of recognition. One of the things we find, or I find a lot of in organizations, is that the work that people are doing, the grassroots, is often just glossed over because it's leading to this broader goal. But if you can give recognition down through your organization, across through your organization, you will have people engaged and taking part in the change process. Without that, it becomes patchy. Leadership. Why is it not common? So this is my theory. Two axes, knowledge and leadership. And what tends to happen within this is that most organizations drive towards the accumulation of knowledge. So when I go through various insurance companies, what I find is that, the head of underwriting is an underwriting expert. The head of provider contracting is an expert in coding, etc. The real place that you want to be getting to within this is that mix between leadership and subject matter expertise. Those are your real leaders. Someone who can sit down at the table and talk with, whether it's underwriters, whether it's salespeople, whether it's technology people, and talk with them at their own level, but bring them along in terms of a leadership role, and that the mentoring, being at the front, taking people along, that's really what you're measuring.